In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Among Us. So first, of course, you must have the Among Us app already downloaded on your mobile. Once done, open the app. And here, of course, make sure that you read the privacy policy and terms of use. Then press I understand. So if it's your first time opening up the app, you will usually be prompted to log in or sign up using your Google Play Games account, your email, or your Apple ID. So just choose the account you would like to use to sign up for Among Us, then proceed with the login process. So for Google Play Games account, just click on the Create button. And lastly, grant access permissions to sign in to Among Us by pressing Continue. Once again, for more access and permissions, tick the box and press Continue. Now, once you've logged in to any of your accounts in Google or Apple, the sign up process usually be initiated. So start by following all the on-screen prompts, starting with age verification. Select your month of birth, day, and year, then click on the submit button. Confirm your date of birth by pressing yes. You will then be prompted to sign in to an account. From here, just click on the sign in button. Then you should see this message. All you have to do is click on close. Now here you can also choose your friend code. You can get your friend's code for you to be able to invite them into games. Just click on this button to randomize a friend code, then press confirm. Once again, click close. And just by that, you have now successfully signed up for Among Us. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!